Have you been waking up several times during the night to go to the bathroom? Experiencing pressure in your lower abdomen? Or having trouble fully emptying your bladder? They may all be signs that your prostate is trying to get your attention. But what if the answer isn't in a pill, but in your kitchen? Today, we're uncovering the powerful natural foods that can help shrink your prostate, reduce discomfort, and restore your vitality. This is natural healing for seniors. And what you're about to hear may surprise you. Let's begin with something you've likely seen in your fridge: cabbage. Cabbage is more than the base of a salad. It's an anti-inflammatory powerhouse with glucosinolates, compounds that break down into indole-3-carbinol and sulforaphane. These compounds fight cell inflammation and regulate hormones, specifically estrogen, which plays a sneaky part in prostate enlargement. A hormone balance reduces the stimulation that leads to prostate enlargement. Cabbage is also rich in vitamin C, antioxidant that protects cells from damage, and fiber, which aids digestion and eliminates excess estrogen. And don't overlook fermented cabbage, sauerkraut or kimchi, for example. These add probiotics that strengthen the immune system and reduce systemic inflammation. Scientific studies done by the National Institutes of Health have shown that sulforaphane not only reduces inflammation, but also protects against DNA damage in prostate tissue. That makes cabbage not only a healthy food, it's a preventive. Amongst the Okinawans, Japan, where statistically prostate problems rank amongst the lowest, cabbage is a standard diet component. Older men there consume fermented cabbage as part of their diet regularly and show much healthier prostate-related results. You can use cabbage in salads, soups, stir-fries, or ferment it for probiotics. Target at least 1 cup a day to reap these benefits in the long run. Next up, chestnuts. Chestnuts might sound like a celebratory snack, but they're loaded with antioxidants, vitamin C, fiber, and trace minerals like zinc and magnesium. Zinc plays a significant role in prostate function and cell growth. Zinc deficiency links to prostate enlargement and pain. Folate, vitamin B9, and plant compounds like flavonoids, which suppress inflammation and increase the urinary stream, are present in chestnuts. In a European Journal of Nutrition study, zinc-rich foods, such as chestnuts consumed daily, reduce the levels of PSA and prostate size in 12 weeks. Moreover, chestnuts are low in fat and calories for weight regulation and hormonal balance. Roast, boil, or chop them and put them in salads or soups. Fun fact: in parts of southern Italy, older men have traditionally munched on chestnuts and drank herbal teas to keep their urinary system in good health. And modern science now verifies those practices. Now let's move on to pomegranates. Pomegranates contain 2 of the most powerful antioxidants that exist in nature: punicalagins and ellagic acid. They free radicals scavenge, one of the main causes of prostate enlargement. They balance hormones by reducing the conversion of testosterone into DHT, a hormone that enlarges the prostate. In a 2006 clinical trial on clinical cancer research, men who drank daily pomegranate juice saw their PSA doubling time dramatically slow down, a significant marker of prostate well-being. Pomegranate juice has even been researched as slowing the growth of prostate cancer cells. It further improves circulation by raising nitric oxide levels, enabling your bladder and prostate to function more smoothly. Let me share with you Samuel's story, a 68-year-old retired teacher. He suffered from frequent urination and pain for years. After incorporating pomegranate juice into his morning routine, along with other healthy practices, he regained health in a matter of months. Next up, walnuts. Walnuts are rich in plant-based omega-3s, vitamin E, and polyphenols, which are all anti-inflammatory in the prostate and decrease chronic inflammation. Walnuts balance hormones, improve circulation, and support nerve function. Walnuts contain zinc and magnesium, which are necessary to avoid swelling and grow healthy cells. It's very good for digestion and weight balance also, 2 things that are, unfortunately, not much considered in prostate health. Try to include walnuts in your diet, raw, roasted, or sprinkled on oatmeal and smoothies. A University of California Davis study revealed that a diet rich in walnuts reduced the growth rate of prostate tumors in laboratory animals by a sizable amount. More human research is underway, but early data appears hopeful. Now comes watermelon. Watermelon is high in lycopene, a red color antioxidant that amasses in the prostate and defends itself against inflammation. It also contains citrulline, which increases nitric oxide and supports blood flow. Better circulation translates to faster healing, reduced swelling, and a healthier bladder. And its natural diuretic effects eliminate toxins from the body and curb urinary urgency. Watermelon even hydrates the body, strengthens the kidneys, and regulates hormones. Cut it up, blend it, or toss it into salads, particularly on hot summer days. In African traditional medicine, watermelon seeds have been used for many years to enhance the health of the urinary tract. Science is only now catching up with this. Let us move on to pumpkin seeds. Pumpkin seeds are packed with zinc, plant sterols like beta-sitosterol, and anti-inflammatory compounds like vitamin E, selenium, and omega-3s. Beta-sitosterol has been shown in numerous studies to increase urinary flow and reduce nighttime urination. Pumpkin seeds also contain lignans, which enhance immune function and hormone balance. A daily handful makes a huge difference. Eat them raw, roasted, or blend them into smoothies. Or take pumpkin seed oil capsules if you must. Next, green tea. Green tea is the most studied natural compound for prostate health. Green tea includes EGCG, a polyphenol that suppresses prostate cell growth, reduces inflammation, and may even prevent cancer. Green tea also balances hormones and boosts metabolism, so it is helpful for weight management and hormone balance. Drink 2 to 3 cups of organic green tea per day, especially between meals. In China and Japan, where everybody consumes green tea on a daily basis, prostate disease is virtually non-existent. Let's talk about tomatoes. Tomatoes are the most well-known lycopene food, and once you heat them up, their lycopene is even better available. Lycopene quells inflammation, regulates cell growth, and protects against oxidative stress. Eat it with healthy fats, like olive oil, to help it get absorbed. Tomatoes also contain potassium, folate, and vitamin C, as well as preserving urinary comfort and immune strength. Incorporate them in sauces, soups, stews, or salads. In a Harvard study of over 47,000 men who consume tomato-based foods more than twice weekly had a 21% reduction in prostate cancer risk. Let's go on with the list even further. Add flax seeds, full of lignans, fiber, and alpha-linolenic acid. These control estrogen metabolism and inhibit inflammation throughout the prostate. Carrots, full of beta-carotene and antioxidants that inhibit inflammation and oxidative stress. Avocados, full of healthy fats, beta-sitosterol, and potassium. Inhibit DHT, balance hormones, and help with repairing prostate tissue. Broccoli, another cruciferous vegetable that is full of sulforaphane, helps with estrogen balance and inflammation inhibition. Beets promote circulation and detoxification. Beets have nitrates that boost nitric oxide and improve prostate circulation. Cranberries, health of the urinary tract, they reduce bacterial inflammation that aggravates prostate issues. Shiitake mushrooms have beta-glucans, selenium, and ergothioneine. These reduce prostate cell oxidative damage and improve immune function. And oats, full of soluble fiber that ensures normality of the digestive system and estrogen removal. Here's how to make your weekly healing plan. Drink 1 to 2 cups of cruciferous vegetables every day. Snack on walnuts or pumpkin seeds at least 4 or 5 times per week. Drink pomegranate or watermelon juice every day. Add tomatoes, beets, carrots, and mushrooms to meals. Drink 2 to 3 cups of green tea every day. Add flax seeds, oats, or avocado to breakfast meals. Drink herbal teas and water. Avoid processed foods, sugar, and alcohol. Move daily. Walk, do yoga, or gentle strength training. Sleep well, control stress, and be regular. Before we conclude, let's have a heart-to-heart. Prostate symptoms can be lonely, but you're not alone, and there is hope. With routine, these foods can reduce swelling, restore balance, and restore your energy and confidence. If this message struck a chord with you, forward it to someone who may be suffering in silence. And subscribe to Natural Healing for Seniors for more inspiring wellness videos. You deserve to heal, and nature will be with you every step of the way.